Hello friends, I am Guna Madhivanan, Current Affairs Faculty at Offices IS Academy. So in this video, we will see the 18th topic of our HITList series, that is Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, JCPOA, right? Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Friends, Iran was facing sanctions from various countries. For what? Since Iran was developing nuclear weapons. Citing this as reason, America and other countries, they were imposing sanctions on Iran, right? And that sanctions were revoked. See, from 1970s there is a problem between USA and Iran. 1970 Islamic revolution in Iran, right? Then followed by that in that revolution, the revolution resulted in capturing of 50 plus Americans, and they were held hostages for 444 days in Iran. America got tensioned and America started imposing sanctions on Iran. Then followed by that, there was so much of hostility between USA and Iran was facing so many sanctions. Many other countries were also imposing sanctions on Iran because of their behavior and because of their development in nuclear weapons. Right. In 2015, when Obama was the president, USA, UK, France, China, Russia plus Germany, that is P5 plus 1 countries, P5 plus 1 Germany. Okay. Now these countries, they signed an agreement with Iran called as Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action Agreement. A framework, an agreement was signed with Iran for revoking the sanctions. So according to this agreement, Iran, they have agreed that they will be working on nuclear technology, but for generating power and not for weapons. And Iran said at any time the IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency inspectors, they can visit the Iran nuclear facilities and they can check whether Iran is developing nuclear power or nuclear weapon. Iran said we will be doing only nuclear weapon and not Iran said we will be doing only nuclear power and not weapon, right? Iran agreed under this JCPOA framework, and Iran also said that IAEA inspectors anytime surprise visit they can come inside Iran and they can check the Iran nuclear facility whether Iran is developing power or weapons. So based on that agreement, USA and other countries, they lifted the sanctions. The sanctions were lifted on Iran. I hope you all know what is sanctions. Like, it is basically economic sanctions. When country is imposing economic sanctions on another country, USA imposes sanctions on Iran, that means USA will not buy or USA will not sell anything to Iran. USA will not come forward to help Iran, right? Let us say IMF, World Bank, they will not be giving any loan to Iran. These kind of sanctions will be imposed. Was imposed, then in 2015 it was removed. But however, in 2018, once Trump came to power, he unilaterally came out of this agreement. He said that no, Iran is not obeying the agreement. Iran is developing nuclear weapons. Trump says, I know, we got intelligence information, Iran is developing nuclear weapons, so we are walking out of this. Since Iran has violated this JCPOA agreement, so USA, it is walking out of JCPOA. Unilaterally, this agreement was signed between 6 countries and Iran, but USA unilaterally they took the decision and they came out of this agreement and they reimposed sanctions on Iran. They reimposed sanctions on Iran. Not just that, they have reimposed sanctions, and USA is asking other countries also to impose same sanctions on Iran. For example, it is also asking India. They are pressurizing USA indirectly, it is pressurizing India to impose same kind of sanctions on Iran. USA went to the level saying that India, if you are not imposing sanctions on Iran, then USA will impose sanctions on India. right? See how USA is threatening. USA says, India, if you are not imposing sanctions on Iran, then we will impose sanctions on India. So USA was saying to India that, India, you don't buy oil from Iran. You don't buy oil from Iran. See friends, for India, Iran is very important. It is not just for oil. It is not just for natural gas. It is for accessing Afghanistan. If we want to go to, if India wants to access Afghanistan, we cannot go through Pakistan or we cannot go through China, though we have a 100-kilometer boundary with Afghanistan, but that region is under Pakistan's occupied Kashmir control. So if India wants to enter Afghanistan, they need to go through Iran only. If India wants to enter Central Asia, they can go through Iran only. If India wants to enter Caspian Sea, then India can go through this Iran only, right? So Iran becomes very crucial for various purposes, not just oil, for connectivity, for various purposes. Iran becomes, and most importantly, Iran, it is bordering Pakistan. To counter Pakistan also, Iran becomes very crucial, right? But however, America is putting so much of pressure, and India, we have stopped buying oil. Because of the pressure, we have stopped buying oil from Iran. So because of this, today Iran and China is getting close. China, they are making use of this opportunity. China, they are making use of this opportunity because for a long time historically, India and Iran was very close. But today, because of the US pressure, India has stopped buying the oil from Iran, and now China is making use of the situation. China is making use of the situation to develop a close ties with Iran, and China has said almost $200 billion long-term investment China is planning on Iran. $200 billion. In the name of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, China is investing almost $60 billion in Pakistan, but in Iran they are saying a long-term agreement, $200 billion. Right? So to understand all these current issues, you should have a fair understanding on this JCPOA. Right? Let us see what happens once Joe Biden comes to power. Okay. So this is regarding the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. Right? So this is the agreement which was signed between USA, Germany, UK, France, China, Russia and EU regarding Iran's nuclear program. Okay. So based on this, I have given a question. You can kindly go through and find out the answer, give your answer in the comment section. Alright, if you like the initiative, you can give your feedback in the comment section. So here I have given the features of my course which I am launching. You can go through. I hope you liked the topic. So tomorrow I will meet you with another exciting topic. Till then, bye.